emergency candle using salt, matchstick, oil, and a cotton buds or cotton. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a DIY emergency candle using salt and cooking oil with much. So let's do this. Need to put salt. Oh, salt. So let's say 2 tablespoons of salt. You don't need to measure it. Put it there. Some oil. You need to make sure now you can see the oil floating on top of the salt. Then we need to mix it. Then we need to mix it. Mix it. Make sure that all the oil will cover the salt. There. That's okay. And now we need to make we need this one and some of the cotton buds. So what are you gonna do is to be like this. Then, let's see. Then we're gonna put it here like that. Let's try to light it up now. There. See? Can you see that? It's working. Oh, galing, besh. Look at that. So that's it. That's it, guys. Yan guys, there you go. And there's one more. I will light it up. So there you go guys. Emergency candle using salt, matchstick, oil, and a cotton buds or cotton. There. Turn up the light, Marky. There you go, guys. Oh, ang ganda, oh. Beautiful.